Now welcome to the 22nd question, and we have three vectors a, b and c unit vectors such that vector a minus vector b whole square plus a minus c whole square is equal to 8, and vector a plus 2 vector b square plus vector a plus 2 vector c of whole square is equal to. And let's go to the solution. We have solution mod of vector a minus vector b whole square plus vector a minus vector c whole square is equal to 8, and what we do is dot multiply both the whole squares is equal to 8, and we have a dot b plus a dot c is equal to minus 2. And now vector a plus 2 vector b whole square plus vector a plus 2 vector c whole square it gives us 2a square plus 4b square plus 4c square plus 4a into dot b plus 4a dot c is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 into minus 2, which gives us 2. So the answer is the